Good morning, students. Today I am going to tell you about the physical division of India. In last video, I had told you about the continent. What is continent? The large land masses are called continents. Do you know in which continent our India is situated? India comes in the Asia continent, which is the largest continent of the world. So today I am going to tell you about our India. How is our India? India is a large and a vast country. Large, vast and a beautiful country. Why it is beautiful? Because it is surrounded by water from three sides, and from one side it is surrounded by the mountains. So we can say that, and India is the seventh largest country of the world, and it is in the view of population it is the second one. India has, in last class you have read about the different landforms of India. There are too many varieties of landforms in India. What are they? India has lots of mountains, rivers, valleys, plains, and also coastal areas with beautiful beaches. So these all landforms are divided into 6 physical features. Before that, I am going to tell you about the position of India in our continent. The India is situated in the northern part of the Asia. Where it is situated? In the northern part of the Asia. The mainland of India stretches from the Kashmir to Kanyakumari, from north to south, covered by 3,200 kilometers. And it stretches from west to east, from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh, covered by 3,000 kilometers. So India is divided into 6 physical features. What are they? The Great Himalayan Mountain Ranges. The Northern Plains. The Peninsular Plateaus. The Great Indian Desert. Coastal areas. The island. Which are the 6 physical features? the Great Himalaya mountain ranges, the northern plains, the peninsular plateau, the Great Indian Desert, the coastal areas, and the island. To understand these all the physical features, we have to see the map. Look, this is the map of India. The shape of India is almost triangular. We can say that the shape of India is almost triangular. You can see the uppermost portion, which is brown in color, that is the mountains area. That area is known as the Great Himalayan mountain ranges. Below the Great Himalayan ranges, that is the green color, that are the northern plains, that are called the northern plains. If we go to the west, there is yellow color. This is known as the Thar Desert, that is the Great Indian Desert. In the middle part of the or most part of the India comes in peninsular plateau. Even our state Jharkhand is also comes in peninsular plateau. The area, we can say the area nearby the seas and oceans, that are called the coastal areas. These all are the physical feature of India. We can see in the map, these all are called the physical feature of India. So what we know about the physical division? The Great Himalayan mountain ranges, the northern plains, the peninsular plateau, the Great Indian Desert, the coastal areas, and the islands. The Great Himalayan mountain ranges are at the topmost part of the India. After that, below the Himalayan mountain ranges, there is the northern plains. And most part of the India comes in peninsular plateau. In Rajasthan is known as the Great Indian Desert. It is also known as the Thar Desert. And the area which is nearby the oceans and seas, these areas are called coastal areas. And there are so many beautiful beaches are present there. And the last physical feature is that island. Have you seen the map? There is some spots in the ocean parts that are called the islands. That are Lakshadweep and Andaman and Nicobar Islands. In next video, I will explain you about all the physical features one by one. That's all for today. I hope you all understand. Thank you.